Hi everybody, hope you're all well. I just thought I would do a very quick video on how to change the bulb. Now, you'd think it would be pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but it's not. Watched quite a few YouTube videos on the subject, and every one of them showed you how to do this. And I thought, right, okay, I'll believe YouTube, I'll do what they tell me, so this is what I done. So all the videos on YouTube, they were telling you, you've got to take this mirror off. As you can see, this is broken, but I'll explain that in a minute, why it's broken. So what you've got to do is, you've got to basically push this in, okay, grab it up here, and pull, and this whole thing should pop off. Now, as you can see, I've tried to do that and it's just broke my mirror. Same with this mirror down here, you're supposed to grab it, pull it, but that's not what you got to do. Now, there's two different kinds of wing mirrors for sprinters, and now I'm not sure if this particular one is aftermarket, and then the original mirrors you grab and pull. But with this particular mirror, it's a different story. You've got to basically put your fingers in here, okay, and instead of pulling it this way, you put your fingers in, push your mirror that way, and just push that way, and it comes off. Okay, that's a little mirror off. Hey. And with the big mirror, make sure it's pushed in. Okay, now you're not pulling here. What you're doing is, you put your fingers under here, and sliding that up. Okay, so we can do away with that. Now if you look at the back, see it's a slidey up and downy thing. There is a different mechanism here where it does just push on and pull off. Ours doesn't do that. Okay. So it's a slidey up, slidey down. Now the bulb is in here, down in there. This is already broken. I didn't break that, I promise. But it is quite handy that it's broken. So someone's obviously changed it before. Okay. Now I find it easier, if this is the kind that you've got, there are other videos on YouTube if you've got the other kind of mirror, okay? But I think this is the only video that I've ever found, well, I've not found it obviously, I'm making it myself. It's easier if you take this little mechanism off so you can get your big chunky fingers in here to get the bulb. So what I do is, this is kind of worn out, so it's like a kind of hex type thing. So I just get my multi-tool screwdriver basically, put that in there, turn it, and this whole thing comes off. Now just be careful, it comes off like so. So you want to sit it back down like so, okay? Just sit it down like that. Oh, that's magnetic. That's cool. Okay, I've got a new mirror there anyway. Okay, that's the old mirror. So okay, back to the bulb. So there's your bulb there. Get your fingers in there and now turn it. You're going to be turning it that way. Grab it, turn it that way. And it just pops out. So there's your mirror with your bulb hanging out. Now what you want to do now is, if you look here, just press that down, really leave it, and your bulb will come right out. Line it up, push it in until it clicks, and it's clicked. It's clicked. Don't really want any kinks in the wire. So, just a reversal, back in the hole, turn it, and twist it. Right, that's us. So you want to put the big mirror back on first. Here's our new mirror. Make sure that this affair is is like that, not like that, like that, and then just go in, just line it up there, make sure you've got it, and then that's you, just push it down. Okay, there's your mirror back in, your big mirror, push that wee affair back in there out of the way. So then we grab our little mirror holder thing. Okay, so that's going in. You can see where it goes. Push that in like that, like so. Get your screwdriver or multi-tool in this case. Push that in like so, like so, and then push your mirror holder thing like that. Get your mirror that you hopefully haven't broken. So it's going with the curve. If you look at the mirror, curve, straight edge goes into the van. This is the driver's side, UK driver's side. So you're putting that in, kind of lining it up with the little feet, and then pushing it over. Oh, no, let's see. Get a wee wiggle, that's you. Back in place, and you're good to go. Be there. But aye, there's two different mirrors, and I think this is an aftermarket mirror. Hence why it's not a case of, you know, pushing in, grabbing and pulling. It's pushing in and then sliding up. Same with the little mirror at the bottom. Push it in here, slide it that way. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But it's pretty straightforward once you get to know what mirror you've got. But this is a 2007 Sprinter. The newer ones maybe are the push in and pull kind of affair. So I hope that was of some use to somebody. As I say, there is a lot of videos on YouTube on how to change the indicator bulb, but as I say, most of them are push in and grab and pull. Just be careful you don't break your mirror the way I did. Anyway, talk to you later. Cheers.